Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. We done got snowed in a little bit out here, but I'm about to do a cutout. Put on this smoker that I've been working on with the storage cabinets and stuff. And it's right here. It'll say Fuller Family Tree. I just hadn't wrote it all on there yet. But we'll get started with that middle one. This is 16 gauge plate that I'm cutting it out of. I prefer that thinner plate when it's going to be a lot of file work involved. There's going to be quite a bit of file work involved, cleaning all these letters out. I typically move around quite a bit on there, on the areas that I'm cutting, just to keep the heat down, especially if the plate's thinner. I get a little bit cut out and then clean that, and then come back and cut a little more. And then here, this is really a better option than trying to grind that slag off of there. The more you grind on it, you're going to flatten it down, and a lot of it's going to push off into the inside, and it's just going to make it harder and harder to clean. So the more you can chip off before you hit it with the grinder, the better off you'll be. It seems like an extra step, but I think it actually makes it go better. You get a hard spot in an awkward position on there, and you grind it down in there, you may never get it out with that file. And then this is the file work. I mean, it's tedious, but it does get it done. I have a lot of small files, different sizes. The hardest part is getting it to be still and that vise. You can see I kind of have my arm clamped around it right there to help hold it. Then after I get that cleaned up, I'll move on, do a little more. And the same process, I'll get a little cut out, and clean that, and come back and do a little more. I don't like to write it all on there at first because a lot of it will rub off. You'll just have to write it again. You can see how my lines are rubbing off. And this is that titanium plasma from Harbor Freight. It's still going strong. I've got something sticking inside there. I think I need a new torch head. It's been acting up and I can't seem to get it right. Sometimes you have to tap it to get it to go. That machine has seen a lot of work though. And then here he wanted it in a heart shape. So I'm just cutting that out around the edges. All right, a little more cleanup and getting it painted, and this part should be done. Also, it'll go on the side of the smoker. I also need to get a 619 cut out, so I drew those out on the cardboard, and I can just turn the 6 over for the 9. And those, I think those will be cut out individually and then put back together. On stuff like this, I like to get everything on the inside that I can cut out first and then cleaned before I start doing any of the outside edges, which would make it more flimsy. And it's the same thing there, cut a little, clean it. Main reason for that is when you have a lot of cuts close together, if you're getting slag on both sides, it just makes it harder and harder to clean. You can't see it, but I got a little propane grill burning in the background. And I got one burner burning on there, so I can go over there and warm my hands up every now and then. All right, you can see I kind of cut everything on the inside, everything that had to be cleaned and everything, and I've got it cleaned up now. But it's best to cut that stuff before you take it out, because it's all just going to get more flimsy as it goes, you know, and it's going to be hard to use the files on it. But anyway, I'll cut the rest out with a grinder now, because it's mostly just those outside edges. Make it a little easier on cleanup. All right, I got them knocked out and put on there. I still got to paint them. I think they're both being painted blue. You'll be able to see the letters better and everything once all the paint's done and has the black background. You can see that T, I went over the edge a little bit on there and I had to fix it. And there's a 619. I think that 9 might be tilted over a little bit. I might tap it back some. But everything came out real good on them. Guess that'll pretty much do it on this one, y'all. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.